Keeping your Apple Watch Series 11 updated with the latest watchOS is essential for security, new features, and optimal performance. As of September 2025, the latest stable version is watchOS 12, released alongside iOS 18. To update, ensure your iPhone 15 or later is nearby and connected to Wi-Fi. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, go to My Watch General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Your watch needs to have at least 50% battery life to begin the update. Make sure your watch is also connected to a charger. The watch will restart automatically during the update process. To check your current watchOS version on your Apple Watch Series 11, navigate to Settings, then General, About, and Software version. You can also check via the Watch app on your iPhone under My Watch General, About. Staying updated is crucial because updates include patches for security vulnerabilities and improvements to health tracking, battery life, and overall performance. Expert opinions, like those from Renee Ritchie at iMore, emphasize that regular updates are vital for security. For example, watchOS 12 introduced enhanced AI-driven health insights, improved battery life, and resolves previous bugs like display flickering issues.